organs. Wow. Hey, it wasn't me.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck are you doing in my house?
No, Gur. Never. I never want you to mention biscuits ever again. Been nice working with you, Gur. Now self-destruct. Finally!